Lesson 17. I hope the room is quiet. Apparently, this is my hotel. 部屋は静かだといいな。You've learned those rules with my previous video. I hope she's cute. 彼女が可愛いといいな。I wish she was cute. 彼女が可愛かったらいいな。Cute. 可愛い is e adjective. I'll teach you about na adjective and noun in this lesson. First, let's make this sentence based on this rule. Can you say the room is quiet in Japanese? 部屋は静かです。Quiet. 静かな. So, na adjective. This rule is almost the same as e adjective. But only here is different. So, na becomes da. I hope the room is quiet in Japanese. 部屋が静かだといいな。I hope na adjective. Na becomes daといいな。Alright, next. I wish the room was quiet. So can you say the room was quiet in Japanese? The room is quiet. 部屋は静かです。The room was quiet. 部屋は静かでした。The room is quiet. 部屋は静かです。Can be changed. 部屋は静かだ。The room was quiet. 部屋は静かでした。Can be changed. 部屋は静かだった。So this is almost the same rule as e adjective. I wish the room was quiet. 部屋が静かだったらいいな。Then don't forget to change from と to ら。I wish na adjective. Na changes だったらいいな。If you know those rules, you already know the rules of noun because they're the same. I hope the room is quiet. 部屋が静かだといいな。I hope it's a quiet room. 静かな部屋だといいな。I wish the room was quiet. 部屋が静かだったらいいな。I wish it was a quiet room. 静かな部屋だったらいいな。多分このホテルだな。部屋は静かだといいな。So why did he say 部屋は not 部屋が? So if you say 部屋は then it's really noisy around the hotel. But so 部屋は静かだといいな means I just hope the room is quiet. If you watched my previous video, you know this scene. お金持ちだといいな So I hope he's rich. Now you can also say お金持ちだったらいいな means I wish he was rich. So she is omitted. 彼が But if She say, 彼はお金持ちだったらいいな。Then I think about why she said 彼は。Alright, please memorize those rules. I'll teach you. I hope he speaks Japanese in the next lesson.